Spell your last name. If you're over 18 years old, spell your last name backwards. If you can't do it, you're a derelict. That means you are super stupid and extra dumb. Every day I write my name down. First, spell your last name. Spell it backwards. You can't do it because you're super stupid and extra dumb. And you're born in a mass. And you're born in a mass. You're born in a mass. You're born in a mass. Super stupid and extra dumb. Spell your last name backwards. They can't do it because they super stupid and extra dumb. They're careless. Stop laughing. Only those that laugh understand me. You are super stupid and extra dumb. Spell your last name backwards. You're 25 years old. You're 27, 28, 29, 31. You spell your last name backwards. If you can't do it, you're a derelict. You are super stupid and you are extra dumb. And you're born in Boston, Mass. Oh man, you born in Mass. Oh my God, your train, hey look, your train don't work. Let's go, hurry up, let's go. Take your money and you pay for it, and the train don't even work. Why are we still here? Come to Washington, D.C., shoo. Come New York, shoo.
Yeah.
I'm a Section 8. I go where I want to go. And I don't wear jeans. No, don't worry about it.
Filming you.
Look, your mother on welfare though. You welfare, baby. You a welfare, baby. You a nigga. You a nigga. You welfare, baby. I'm not in a hurry. Look, I am not in no hurry. Take your time. I get paid every day, all day long. I'm gonna go home and go to bed and get paid.
Oh, it makes sense.
Next stop, Axtra Dumm.
You're not man enough or female enough to go get a job, stay on your home. You can't do it. I'm Donald Trump.